and I'm currently working for an MNC, so I have like 10 plus years of software experience. I mean, I've been working as an software engineer for past 10 plus years, and I'm my mainly I mean, like all 10 plus years, right? I've been into Oracle technologies. Okay. So, which means earlier it was Oracle EBS application. Now it is become Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay. So what is the difference is the software that we had, it is a on-premise application, which means you have to connect to the LAN, you have to install few softwares. So then only will be able to access client systems, okay, on-premise. Now it is a cloud system. So I've been working on cloud from past 8 to 9 years. Okay. So what does it mean? The cloud means now you no need to do anything in installations and all. It is all like web-based applications. Okay. So uh, that is a bit about myself. Okay. And I request you like introduce about you in a 2 line. Okay. Not like more than 1 minute. Okay. So maybe we can start with Pawan. So, and then we can go on from there. Okay.
Hi everyone, myself Dedipya. Have completed my BTech in 2020 and later worked as a software engineer in the testing for 3 years.
Okay. You passed out from 2020, year
Yes,
2020.
yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. And others, can you please go ahead? I see Deepak, Lavanya, and there
Yeah,
is one more person.
yeah, myself Deepak Kumar, and I graduated as BTech in 2012, and right now I'm working in IT company as a Oracle technical specialist and having 10 plus years of experience. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you. Okay, how about others?
Yeah, hello. Myself Shravya.
Yeah,
I
hi,
have
Shravya.
completed yeah, I have completed my BTech in 2020 and worked as 3 years in Ray Business Technologies as a software test engineer.
Okay, okay, cool. And I see one more person on the call. Are we done with everybody or any more left? Okay, okay. So let's get going. And okay, I hope you see my screen, right? Okay, so basically, the course is all about Oracle Fusion Cloud application. Okay, and again, within the Oracle Fusion Cloud, we have various modules. Okay, so I'll be giving a brief about the current application that we are talking about. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop me and you can ask me questions. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen, and I also would like to share the whole screen actually to give some background of this application. Okay, so let me know. I'm just resharing. Let me know when you're able to see it. Okay. 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 I believe it should be coming up. Okay. So as we have the people from various locations, I would prefer to communicate in English. Okay. And if you have any questions or concerns, and if you need any clarifications, anything, then we can discuss in Telugu also. No problem. Okay. So with this, right, what we were discussing is Oracle Fusion cloud application, right? Okay. So I'll just give a brief about like Oracle Fusion Cloud. So as I mentioned, Oracle is an ERP system. Okay. Oracle is an ERP system. So what is ERP? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning, which means whatever the software application that you take that is used to support any business that is there in right now in the market, right? It can be anything. It can be a what to say, uh, the normal Gmail application. It can be a Facebook. It can be a Instagram. Whatever you take, okay. It can be a client application where client would like to maintain their business information. Okay, so for that we should have one application in place, right? Okay. And in the market, if you see, we have lot many ERP applications available. One of them is Oracle. So can any one of you tell me what other applications that we have in the market other than Oracle that you know? Yeah, please feel free to interact. This is going to be an interactive session. Okay. So have you ever heard of SAP systems?
Yes.
Have you ever heard of Workday,
Yes.
PeopleSoft, JD
Yeah.
Edwards is no more, but yeah. So these all are the various applications there in the market. Okay. And the main, I could say the giant applications are SAP and Oracle, or well-established applications in the in the market, which means these applications will support to the business uh, to the uh, topmost extent, which means client wants to have their business maintained in the application that should support like end-to-end process. Okay. When I say business, you can take any client in the market. Okay. Like let's say MRF. Okay. So MRF is a like well-known or brand in the market, right? So likewise, we have Taj Hotels. Okay. So we have so many clients, different clients. Like let's say automobiles, if you take, lot many companies are there in automobiles. Okay. Retail, you see lot many hospitals. Okay. Travel. So these are all businesses, right? They are all running. When I say travels, or you see all the aircraft related, flight related, I'm talking about. Okay. So anything, if you take for that, holiday related applications, there are so many applications that need software. Okay. So which means now Oracle is an ERP system that client wants to use one of the ERP system to maintain their business. Okay. So if client choose Oracle, then obviously they have to purchase the product from Oracle. Now, Oracle is what? It is a vendor, right? Which means Oracle is the name of that organization and they have an application, so which can support to the businesses. Now, what client has to do? They have to purchase the Oracle and they have to set up according to their business and start using the real-time data. Okay, that's what the application will be used for. Okay, now to talk about our course, what we are going to learn is we are, as I mentioned, in Oracle Fusion Cloud, there are so many modules, which means client wants to maintain their procurement related information. Client wants to maintain their inventory. Client wants to maintain their employee related information, employment related information. Okay. So all these things will be supported by Oracle application. Okay. So now part of our training, what we are going to learn is HCM technical course. So what does it mean? HCM technical, human capital management, the HCM means. Okay. And within that, we are talking about technical. So there are two things in Oracle Fusion HCM. One is technical, another one is functional. So in the name itself, you could see the technical, which means you have to uh, work on the coding part and you should be able to extract the data or manipulate the data that is available in the Oracle application. Okay. So HCM means, what did I mention? Human capital management. So the name itself says that we are working on the maintaining their client related, employee related information. Okay. So this is the course that we are talking about. And this is the application. Okay. And as I mentioned, it is a cloud system. Okay. So the types of the system is, one is I just mentioned on premise. That was the previous version. Now it is a cloud system. So what is on premise? Where here you need to install the client software. Okay, so I'm just giving you a brief. If you already know a few things, that's fine. And if you have any questions also, please feel free to stop me. Okay, so the idea is like to give you a background of this course and what we are going to learn. Okay, so on premise means you need to install particular software and you should be connected to the LAN always. Okay, which means under particular ODC only will be able to connect to the client system. It's not like from anywhere you can access. If you would like to access it from outside your ODC, okay, outside your the setup, right? What you have to do is you have to use VPN. Okay, so you might have seen that people are carrying kind of USB. which will show the what to say, dynamic code on that. It's like OTP, na? Every 1 minute, one OTP code will be generating. So in case if you're not available in the office and you would like to access client system from outside, through VPN you can access. Okay. So which means you have to connect to the one desktop which is installed in your machine. When you are logging into that desktop, it will ask for VPN code. That VPN code, you can see it in your the USB that you will carry. So client will provide you with that. So you have to carry always. That is happening in the on-premise application. This is like old systems. Now we are talking about Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay. Cloud is all about accessing the application through web. So it is an web-based application. Okay. So which means you no need to carry any sort of additional devices. You just need to have the URL that you can bookmark. And uh, if you are an authorized person, then you will be given with certain applications you need to install in your mobile. That mobile, in the application, you can see the code. Okay. Yeah. Someone is saying something. Any questions? Okay. So web-based application is nothing but you just need to link bookmark particular link. Okay. And you need to provide the username, password, or that particular code that will get generated in the mobile application. Okay. So this is the basic difference about what is on-premise and why are we calling it as a cloud system. Okay. So any questions, team, here before I go ahead and show you how does the Oracle web application looks like? Okay. So now I'll just show you how the application looks like. Okay. So please let me know when you're able to see the vision application that I'm showing. Are you guys able to see it?
Yes.
Cool. So now basically how it will be is like, let's say there might be a client, there will be a client who has purchased the application and now they would like to use it, right? So basically as a developer, what we do is once we get the login information, okay, basically what we do, we should have an URL, web-based URL that I was talking about. This is the URL up to .com. Okay. This is what client gives us. Okay. So when you are working for their systems, they will give an access to you like this. Okay. This is their URL for their system, and they will also give the username and password. Okay. So once you enter this in a search bar here, automatically it will take you to their sign-in page. What do you see in sign-in page? You can see the Oracle Application Cloud and all. Once you enter username, password, and click on sign in, it will take you to the home page. Okay. So in cloud applications, it is very simple to log in into their applications. Okay. And this is the page where you will see a lot of options coming up. So once you get familiar what you have to work on and all, it will be easy for you to navigate through these things and get the things done. Okay. So this is how the application looks like. So here we will call it as a navigator. You can see all the options. So what are all these options and all that we will be learning as we go through the remaining classes, right? And this is the home page. This is the landing page. Okay. And basically here you will have the notifications. Okay. So if you could see here, it will show your initials, whoever the username you're logged in with, it will show the initials, the first name initial, second name initial. Okay. So this is how the application looks like. Okay. Uh, and coming to the technical part, what you have to do is you need to work on the data extracts, which means what? So any client, if they're using the application, which means they'll be storing their data into the systems, right? So uh, always in the real time, what happens? The data will be modifying, the data will be removing. So many things will be happening in the real time. Okay. When it comes to the course content, okay, so what we are going to learn is uh, I'll be sending this document across to all to give you brief about what we are going to learn part of this course. Okay. And it will give the introduction. Also it will tell the different cloud service types we have. Okay. And the main important thing is that SQL. SQL is structured query language. I'm sure you might have heard of these things many times. Okay. So this is the backend language for Oracle application. Without this, you will not be able to extract the data. Okay. So SQL is the most important language here. And within SQL, you will have many things that you need to learn. The different topics that we have. Okay. Once you learn the SQL, then we'll be working on the extracts part. So for extracts, we have various tools. Okay. So which means depends on the client requirement, the different tools Oracle has given to us. One is BIP tool, another one is OTBI tool. Okay. And we have one more tool also, that is HCM extracts. Okay. These are all used for data extraction. So why do we have more than one tool? Is each tool is um, enabled with different features. Okay. So based on our requirement, we'll be using that particular tool to extract the data. Okay. So now another thing is these are all for extracts. So when I say extract, the name itself, you have to extract the data from the system. To extract the data, these are the tools that we'll be using. And we have few more things also. These are all general topics that you should be aware. Okay. And obviously, any application that is there in the any application that should be enabled with security, right? It's not like whoever have an access to, they can see all the data. It depends on our role. It depends on our access. Then you will be able to see certain data. Okay. If you're authorized, then you can see all the data also. Okay. So this is the basic. And I was talking about this one. Above things are for data extraction. This is for data loader, which means you will be having an option to load the data in a bulk mode and update the data in a bulk mode. So to do such sort of things, you have to learn all these tools that I just gone through. Okay. And this will be a 40 to 45 days course. Every day, 1.5 hour. Okay. The course will be uh, like the every day it will take one and a half hour at least. Okay. And what we do is, on daily basis, the session will get recorded and the link will be provided to you so that you can refer to that recording later on. Along with that, you will be given with the soft copy of the notes. Okay. So like as you see here, this is the SQL notes that we have prepared. Okay. So in this, it is just a PDF document. Here you will see all the topics that I'll be covering through this particular course. And you can, every day, part of everyday session, right? We will be giving you with the assignments also. Okay. So just give me a second. I see some issue here. Okay. So every day there will be an assignments, which means by next day you should be able to complete that assignment. And if you have any questions, that will be sorted out during the following class. Okay. So any questions, team, before I move on? Okay, I will take it as no. And I heard someone saying that they have vast experience in Oracle side. I think Deepak, you're the one, right? You've been working on Oracle from long time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so can you help me? What is your day-to-day job right now? You're looking for Oracle HCM technical course.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, right now I'm working on ABS application, right?
Oh,
So
you're into
my
EBS. Okay.
responsibility is making interface. I work on report as well, Rise,
Oh, understood.
especially Rise component, right?
Got it.
Right. So
Okay.
I'm looking for
You're looking for
some,
cloud
yeah,
training now.
yes.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. Cool. Got it. So this is a course content team. So please let me know if you have um, any doubts. Okay. Anything that you would like to know about the course. So I want to hear from you more. Like, what are you looking for specifically here? And do you have any basic knowledge about this Oracle Fusion HCM? So, I mean, again, I'm telling you, please feel free to interact. This is just what to say, interactive session. It's not like classroom training, right? Like just, I mean, what I mean to say is, it should be more friendly. Then only you will be gaining more knowledge. Okay, so that's what I mean to say.
For me, I have no knowledge on this one, HCM fusion.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Let's move on. I'll just show you some more details here as part of this demo, right? Coming back to this application, okay? As I mentioned, you will be given with URL and also the username password. And for your training also, it will be same. So when you have to work on hands-on, right? Then this is the application that you'll be given with. So I'll provide you with this URL and the username and password. Once you log in, I'll be telling you what you need to do as a technical part of technical course and all. Okay. So as we were discussing about the different tools, right? So all these tools, whatever we discussed, it will be navigate from this page itself. Okay. So like, let's say if I want to go to the analytics, you just need to go to the navigator that I clicked on just now. And here you will be having an option to tools. And here you see the analytics section. When you click on this one, automatically it will direct you to the particular page. Okay. Similar, we were talking about HCM extracts also, the data loaders also. So that thing will be navigated from here. So you no need to install anything else apart from this. Once you have the laptop with you, and when we provide this information, you just need to log into this, and you need to work on the assignments that we discuss on day to day. Okay. And coming to the SQL part, as I was mentioning, right? SQL will be in detail that I'm going to give you the training. Okay. SQL is very important to retrieve the data from the Oracle system. So I'll be covering all the topics like whatever we have in SQL. Okay. So first you will become what to say, proficient or kind of advanced with SQL queries. Then I'll take you to the Oracle Fusion application where you need to write queries to pull the information that is available through this application. Okay. So, and if you look at, I'll just show you how the notes and all will be. As you could see my screen, right? So this is how I'll be teaching you all the SQL related things on day to day. And this information you will be getting on your emails. Okay. So you could see a lot of assignments, a lot of sample queries here. Okay. So this will help you to understand the SQL better. And also you will be able to write the queries on your own. Okay. So I mean, this is just to show you like how the day-to-day things will look like. And coming to the assignments, I will be giving you an assignment every day with certain requirements. Then that you need to complete by next class, the next class that you come. Okay. So yeah, these are the things that I would like to cover part of this demo. So any questions regarding training, regarding the material, regarding the timings, the course duration? And also one more thing, I would like to conduct the mock interviews at least once in 2 weeks. I would like to I would like to conduct that more often also if you're uh, available on weekly basis. Okay. So what is the use of that is it will help you to get to know how the interview, what are the questions that they're going to ask in the interview. Okay. So those things I'll be covering part of that mock call. Okay. So at least 15 to 20 minutes I'll be having on weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, so that will give you a clear picture. Okay. What is the expectation from the recruiters when somebody is interviewing you, what they're expecting from real time. Okay. Those things they'll be asking. I mean, like those things will be covering in that. Okay. And one more thing is, I'll be helping you with your resume. I'll be helping you with any questions if you have part of your interview and all, right? So that we can have offline discussions. Okay. So those are the additional things that we'll be covering. Uh, just wanted to mention on that also. Okay. But one thing that I need from you is whenever, I mean, like, on day to day, whatever the topics that we cover, please ensure you spend some time for practice, and that is more important to have that knowledge up to date and able to follow on the next sessions easily. Otherwise, it'll be a problem. Okay, because it's going to be a quick course where we'll be covering a lot of things, and you need to focus very much for these duration, the whole duration, like 30 to 40 days of duration. Okay. And also just would like to mention also, the right now the market looks good, which means we just completed the year end, right? So from Jan end onwards, like I'm also seeing from others or previous students. Okay. So the calls are there now. Okay. So which means we just need to get ready with our skills. Then we can start after the course now. Within week or 10 days time, you can start taking calls on the this particular one. Okay. Okay, team. That's all I would like to cover part of this thing. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions. Then I'm here to answer. Okay. Okay. If no more questions, then we are good. Maybe you can provide your feedback. Based on that, we will take this forward. Okay. Thank you. Then have a good day. Bye.
Okay, thank you.